All right, guys, good morning. Good morning. Welcome to our morning note. My name is Carlos Garcia, founder and CEO of G.A.R Capital. Excuse me. Welcome aboard again. Sorry I didn't do a video yesterday. Let's go ahead and take a look at markets for today. Just a heads up, I will not be doing a morning note Monday and Tuesday of next week. I will be out of the office or stepping away for the weekend, but I'll be back on Wednesday. So just a heads up. All right, let's talk about the markets here. Before we begin, bottom right-hand corner of the screen, there is a little white logo. Click on that, turn on notifications, subscribe to our channel, like our videos as always. Really do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and talk about it. Dow Jones is down 270 points off the lows. NASDAQ is down 66, S&P down 27, the Russell is down 1.16%, crude futures are down nearly 1%, gold just turned red, silver futures down 0.77%. The VIX did break above 20, but now is below 20 now, 1979. The dollar index is up again, 0.29%. Looking at dollar yen, euro dollar down 26 pips, 118.81, 110.30 for the dollar. Yen up three pips there. Let's see here if we can take a look at crypto. 37,511 for Bitcoin, Ethereum 2291, Cardano 146, Dogecoin is below 30 cents at 29.63, and Ripple's at 82.89 currently. Okay, so right now the real big thing to talk about is the options expiry day. So again, right at the open, a lot of people are going to start trading or start kind of getting away from their futures contracts, which is fine. So when people say quad witching or OPEX day, is that a bad thing or a good thing? It's not about bad or good. It's just about the exact volatility and the amount of volume that's going to come out. So it's just a lot more volume. You're going to get a lot of people trading at the open. You're already seeing it now. Bullard's comments today talking about this morning. He was talking about that tapering that looks like month to month for the Fed for tapering, but he's also a neutral voter, meaning that he's not hawkish or dovish one way or another. But we already heard from Powell on Wednesday that 2021 is basically a wipe slate clean. Nothing is going to change in regards to tapering, bond buying, or interest rate hikes. But what they're thinking is 2022 is a possibility of rate hikes, but he said more than likely it's 2023 going to be 2 rate hikes. So they have their dot plots, but their main thing that they're looking at is employment. So I mean, that's what I say to people all the time, and I tell the premium members, don't listen to what people say. Look at what they do. So again, I could sit here in your face and tell you I'm bullish, I'm bullish, I'm bullish, but behind, wow, damn, I got booted. Wow, man. What was it just crashed on me? Son of a bitch. Bitch, man. Okay, guys, back again. My apologies. My Mozilla completely crashed on me, which was really, really crazy. Like it just crashed. So back at it. We were talking about the Fed here and bond buying purchases and what have you. Nothing has really changed on that end. Again, we saw what they said. That means Powell, that there isn't going to be rate increases for 2021. There's not going to be tapering for 2021. Now, Bullard is talking about possible, and talks of tapering month to month. That's not accurate, obviously, because we just saw something on Twitter from a Bloomberg, I believe it's a Bloomberg writer, and I posted on Instagram this morning that said, while traders talk about the Fed tapering its bond buying, the central bank actually boosted its asset purchases in the week to most in 3 months. The Fed's balance sheet now crossed $8 trillion. So that's why I say, forget what they say, follow what they do. So again, guys, you could say inflation to today till tomorrow and everything like that. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what you think, or it doesn't matter what the textbook says, or the whatever you learn in college. The real thing that's important is how the market reacts. So here's some numbers that from today. Today is June 18th. June triple witching day. Dow is up 10 of the last 18, but is down 5 of the last 6. So just keep that in mind. Today is a Juneteenth holiday, which is a new holiday that was just passed by the Congress and the President. The NYC is not closed, obviously, but the SEC is, if you really care. But that is a new federal holiday that will be putting in 2022. The NYC says that they may close the NYSC then. So I apologize for all the noise in the back. I have the AC people here again taking a look at our AC system. Let's answer some questions. Good morning. Did you close on USO for 2022? Just curious. Yeah, that's been closed. That's been closed. Play the gap fill daily on now. Let's take a look now. ServiceNow, again, we talked about those gap fills a lot with a lot of tech companies. There is a gap fill right at 550, 148. The problem is that ServiceNow doesn't have tons of volume when it comes to options, so you take it as you will. Pinterest had a nice gap fill there. So what we're seeing on E-mini futures here, 4170 is your support. I would actually have gone long here, but again, with OPEX day, and I'm going to be out next couple days, I'm really not trying to open anything more than I have to. I already have one signal trade open, and that's about it currently. Let's take a look at some pre-market movers, and then we can answer some questions. Let's see here. Okay, AMC this morning is up 1%. Sundial Growers, which I always see, is down 0.5%. I have no idea what any of these other names are. I don't ever heard of ORPH. Never heard of it. Apple's down 0.5%. Microsoft. Again, look at the indices. They're all red. You could see Chevron's down. Energy. JP Morgan's down nearly 1%. We shorted that yesterday. American Airlines is down. Facebook. Really not much green out there. Nvidia is green on a Bank of America upgrade. JD is green. So Nvidia is an absolute monster. Adobe on strong numbers. They're up nearly 3%. If we take a look here at FinViz, we can take a look at the heat map for the S&P, and really, you're only really green on the board is Adobe and Nvidia for the most part. That's the only thing that stands out. Lennar is also green. Then you also have Biogen is green. Some other ones here, but a lot of red here. And I actually have some Apple calls that I'm swinging. So again, I don't mind. I have some time for them. But that's where we are currently. So not much going on at the moment. Let's see here. I have 2 YouTube videos up. Do you think the video will get to 800 before the split? Let's see the chart. 800 before the split, man, that's going to be tough. I believe the split, let me see the dates. The date of the split will be 441 as of June 21, and then so it will not make it then. So you will not get there for you will not get to 800 before the split, unfortunately. Time is just not on your side. So again, June 21st, which is I believe Monday, whatever shares you have now will be split, and then July 20th will be reflected. So understand that. But that's where we are currently. But I love NVIDIA. I own the stock, so I'm happy for it. All right, guys, so we'll go ahead and leave it there. I'm going to catch up with my team. Have a great rest of your weekend. No aftermarket recap on Fridays. I'm out Monday and Tuesday on a little mini getaway vacation, kind of the weekend sort of thing. I'm going to watch some soccer and enjoy some time off. Have a great rest of your weekend. I will catch you guys Wednesday for the morning note. Enjoy, guys. Thanks again for joining me.